You are watching Learn with Rushika. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the multiplication table of 2. 2 ones is 2. 2 ones is 2. 2 twos is 4. 2 twos is 4. 2 threes is 6. 2 threes is 6. 2 fours is 8. 2 fours is 8. 2 fives is 10. 2 fives is 10. 2 sixes is 12. 2 sixes is 12. 2 sevens is 14. 2 sevens is 14. 2 eights is 16. 2 eights is 16. 2 nines is 18. 2 nines is 18. 2 tens is 20. 2 tens is 20. Now, let's recap the table of 2. 2 ones is 2. 2 twos is 4. 2 threes is 6. 2 fours is 8. 2 fives is 10. 2 six is 12. 2 sevens is 14. 2 eights is 16. 2 nines is 18. 2 tens is 20. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.